Today's tech tip for teachers is the snipping tool. This is a tool used to take a snapshot of something on your screen. I use the snipping tool regularly to take snapshots of different parts of a document and add them to my classroom instructions in Google Slides. This allows me to easily go over the instructions with students and point out key information from the document using the smartboard or Promethean board at the front of my room. If this is your first time using snipping tool, it's very easy to find. You can go to the bottom left corner of your screen to your search bar. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to type in snipping tool. You can see that it pops right up, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that option. And now I have my menu here to get started. Now that I have my menu open, it's very easy to capture an image from my screen. I'm going to start by going to Mode. So if you click the drop-down menu, you have some options. You can automatically grab an image of your full screen. You could choose to get an image of just your window. You can choose to drag and drop a rectangular shaped image by using the rectangular snip. Or you can use freeform, which is where you draw your own image and it will capture what's inside of that. In my experience, the freeform can be difficult to do in a neat way. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the rectangular snip, so I'll click on that. And what's going to happen is it's going to give me a cursor, and here it is. So I'm going to click, I'm going to choose just this section here and release. And now I've captured my image, okay? So if you are happy with the image that you've captured here, you can go ahead and save it. You also have the option of you can click on New to start over if you would like to try again. There are some additional features with this tool, but for now, those are the basics on how you can easily capture an image from your screen to include it into a PowerPoint or another activity to make sharing activities with your students easier for you.